This 5-room BTO at Punggol Point Crown reflects a Cream Minimalist design, soft, warm, and elegantly understated. The home is styled in creamy nature tones and smooth textures, creating a calm, welcoming atmosphere throughout. At the entrance, the bomb shelter is hidden within a feature wall that flows seamlessly into the TV console, with subtle curves detailing that soften the entire look. In the dining and kitchen area, a custom dining table with a display niche becomes the centerpiece, paired with a compact island designed for coffee making and storage. To open up the space, the kitchen service yard wall was hacked away, allowing more light to flow through and connecting the entire zone naturally. The walkway is illuminated by a skylight, highlighting the soft curve and adding a sense of airiness along the passage. In the master bedroom, the L-shaped wardrobe and curved display niche create a cozy, functional space, and from here, you can walk up to a calming sea view each morning. The master bathroom continues the same tone, with an integrated sink and gentle line that complete the minimalist palette. Every corner of this home is designed with intention, a reflection of Cream Minimalist living, where curves, light, and texture come together in quiet harmony.